New energy pure electric washing and sweeping vehicle operation introduction. Introduction of washing and sweeping mode. Step 1. Turn on the vehicle's main power switch. Wait for 10 seconds. Step on the pedal, turn the key switch, and start the vehicle. Step 2. Turn on the vehicle and install the power. Step 3. Click the control screen, enter the password, and enter the working mode. Click washing and sweeping mode to enter the washing and sweeping mode interface. After clicking the switch, the vehicle's side brush and suction cup will automatically fall and start working. Step 4. Engage in the forward gear and start the washing and sweeping operation. After the operation is completed, turn off the washing and sweeping mode, and the side brush and suction cup will automatically retract. Introduction about the use of high-pressure water gun. Step 1. Pull out the hose reel, connect the high-pressure water gun, and hold the high-pressure gun tightly. Step 2. Click the control screen, select the hose reel mode on the screen, and then press the hose reel switch on the remote control. The water gun will discharge water, and the operation can be started. After the operation is completed, turn off the hose reel switch on the remote control, and the hose reel switch on the screen to stop the operation. Introduction to the use of high-pressure washing. Step 1. Click the maintenance mode on the screen to turn on the maintenance mode switch. Step 2. Use the joystick above the screen to control the up and down movement of the washer. The vehicle then out of water and can clean the road. After the operation is completed, turn off the maintenance mode switch to stop the operation. Precautions. Do not raise the vehicle box when the vehicle is full of water. The height of the side brush is adjusted by the screw here. The extension range of the side brush is adjusted by the screw here, and the tilt angle of the side brush is adjusted by the screw here. In addition, the